Alright guys, it's been almost an hour, if not more, if not less. I didn't even take note of the time, but I am still in bed number 2. But happy to say I'm almost there. I say almost because there's one screw that's been screwing me for the last, I don't know, 20-30 minutes or so. This guy does not have the grooves, so just means I can't use my Allen key to loosen it and or my drill bit to loosen it. And this guy was deep under the ground, so it was really down the ground, so I kind of had to dig up a little bit and take it out and take the slipper out. And I've just not been able to screw because there's no grooves here to hold and loosen the thing, so which basically meant I had to kind of use my hammer and hit it. It was kind of splitting the wood a little bit. I do want to preserve the sleeper, so I thought I will just use the hammer and hit it from the back, and it nudge it a bit up. And since then I've just been using this screwdriver to remove it, and it's still not done, but I should be done next 2-3 minutes. So what I also did was I was trying to clear up the space outside the beds as well. So obviously it's not very pretty, is it? But yeah, I had to loosen up the sides of the sleepers because they were deep and inside the ground, and so for me to loosen up the soil and then take out the sleeper, that again took some time. What it basically means is the first bed that I showed, which is this, was pretty much up the ground, so it was a lot more easier, whereas this one was, I did a good job with this one, so it was pretty much inside the ground. What it also means is my third bed is going to be even more hard, but I'm just keeping my fingers crossed and hopefully it will help me finish up, because this guy has taken me quite a lot of time. You will laugh at me if I say I thought I would get all this done in 20-30 minutes. It's probably been about 1.5 hours since I started this journey. Yeah, but here we are. But anyway, I will keep going and I'll clear this up, get to the third bed, and then I'll show you guys. Hopefully it's lunchtime, but hopefully I want to finish it before lunch. I don't know how I'll feel like if I go inside and have a meal and like, oh, I just want to take some rest. So I don't want that to get into my head. So I will try to see if I can do it. But if the third one is going to be hard, I might as well just do lunch, and who knows, maybe come back and do it. If not, for another day. But yeah, this has been my villain. That's how a villain looks.